Almighty has its presence. Let me give you enough confidence so that I can bring some kind of happiness, some kind of confidence in you. Be yourself and prove and realize for the world who always wakes up late and realize that you, yes, you are the future. You have to give the best to the people. Share their sorrows. Yes, share their sorrows. Take their troubles and give them happiness as you can. You, yes, you are the voice of dumb. You are the eyes of blind. You are the hands of disabled. You can give people warmth, love, and gracefulness by your confidence. Yes, by your confidence and intelligence. Your confidence will be a presentation to spread the light by being a light, so as to enlighten the minds of people and prove that you, yes, you are a human of substance. Yes, by your confidence, you will bring the fact and not the fiction. You will make the best presentation and make every evening to become a tradition. Your confidence will show your inner beauty by being ideal and model of truth. For others to see and learn a real confidence from you. Your confidence will care for the people to be active citizen, but also a capable and principled Indian. Your confidence will win the souls by being trustworthy to distribute all gain and to be whatever you are all about, a confident person. Your confidence has not to be different from the society, but it has to create a difference in the society. Because you are the one who can bring and create an ideal society. For all this, you will have to set yourself to reach your goals and always adopt fair means to achieve your aims and objectives. Do your best by being best, and for all this, Almighty God is there with you. Your confidence will create new heights. It will do as never seen before. Your confidence will make as never happened before. You will think that no one has ever thought of, and you will be as never been before. It is not a myth, but a reality. Your confidence will definitely bring stars and planets on the earth. By your confidence, you will be a sparkling gem. Not for glory, not for fame, not for name. Do as much as you can. Develop confidence by developing high morals. Still believe in free, fair, and frank talks. By your confidence, see your creativity and create the best as that of God's creation. We are just individuals in this large crowd. By our confidence, we are making this world a better place to live. Let's watch our confidence on the platform of life and prove ourselves in each and every wake of life. With enough confidence, let's explore and meet challenges in life's every competition. Let's achieve excellence with a rewarding experience. This is all because we have the substance and enough confidence in ourselves to take the world by representing ourselves before the world. I am enough confident on my way to expand every confidence in every horizon by putting my best foot forward and lead people in a better way. By this confidence, let's become common interest, be the voice of the people, sing their sorrows, joys, and frustration. Confidently, yes, confidently share your every evening with excitement and splendor, and to make each and every day an event of festivity and spring. Being confident, having privilege to meet everyone, tie up to respect each individual as a whole, maintain human relations by being human and not a human being. Instead of sympathy, let's give courage and encouragement to each and everyone, not to feel proud or attain glory, but by our moral confidence, we are here to stay in the hearts and minds of the people. Let's have dignity and self-respect in ourselves, without which is nobody and when is everybody. But that is possible only with your confidence. Let's have strong determination to achieve every excellence, thirst for creative and innovative ideas, and ability to deal with people and interact with various authorities gently but with confidence. By our confidence, let's seek a challenge in life, and accept challenges successfully. Let's make out the best of whatever we have got. By our confidence, let's bring new and outstanding results and be a champion. Yes, a champion who will win everyone. Our confidence can create new stories by achieving fame and glory in the national and the international arenas. Let's multiply every opportunity and turn it into grand success. By our confidence, we not only have to develop internal personality but also know ethical values of life and be unique in a very special way. Confidence can bring happiness and glory to every orange evening in the most magical and magnificent way. Let's sum up by believing in ourselves, by giving the best, by being the best. Yes, we are the one who are sailing in the ship of ambition and would anchor at the harbor of success. We really don't know how far we have gone, but definitely there is a long way to go. And how much we have gained fame, as good as our name. But I only know that I am an ideal person who wants to be good and do good and be a real Adarsh in each and every aspect of my life by giving my ideals, my confidence to you so that you can face your life both with courage and confidence. Wishing you all the best because wishes are mine, success is yours.